Now we are going to do the body posture. For that, I will need slight help from my friend Pushkar. Okay, so I'm going to call him on. Pushkar, please join me.
Hello friends. Hi Kashmira.
Hi. So, as I was talking, we are going to do a little bit of body posture. Yeah? Watch us now. Face front, Pushkar. On that side. Yeah. You have to stand tall. Always have your shoulders pulled back. Keep your hands near the waist. Stomach tucked in, chest out. Now, this applies to both the gentleman and the lady. Shoulders back, chest out, stomach tucked in, and your hands at your waist. Shoulders back, chest out, stomach tucked in, and your hands at your waist. Okay? Once again, please watch this frame. Shoulders pulled back, chest out, stomach tucked in, and your hands at your waist. Guys, now we are going to do our waist and hand movement. Everyone has their peculiar style. You have to be comfortable in your own zone to move your waist and your hands according to your comfortability level. Just remember one thing, that you have to move your hands and your waist. Your hands stay at your waist, not stuck together, not on your waist, but near your waist, either facing yourself or palms down. Okay? And you have to move your waist as much you're comfortable in. Everyone has a different comfortability zone. Someone can do a roll, someone can go sideways, someone can do an 8. You have to search for a movement that you're comfortable in, because that defines your style. Guys, let's do the basic with the waist and hand movements on the music. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and a 5, 6 stop. Guys, whenever you do salsa, any step it be, you have to make sure that you do not take very long a distance between two of your feet. You cannot do a 1 so wide open that you will be not able to complete your step. On the music, we'll slowly show you how we do it in a short distance. Face out there. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Short distance. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Short distance. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and a 5, 6 stop. Guys, you have to remember one very crucial point known as spotting. Be it a hook turn or be it a man spot turn, or later as you will learn a cross body step or any other turn, you have to remember the point called as spotting. When you turn, you have to take a certain direction in the end which you will land up with. You're looking in the front, you begin your turn, we'll see how hook turn goes. A 1, 2, 3, 5. I'm still looking in the front. I turn back and look back. There is only one direction I do keep in mind while I'm doing the turn, which is in my front. I'm starting my turn from here. I have to turn and complete and land back in the front. Same happens with man spot turn. Watch this. You begin man spot turn 1, 2 and 3. You look here in your front, do the complete turn and look in the front again. Do not choose any other direction because you might find it difficult to complete the turn. There could be a loss of balance or you might start feeling giddy. So guys, please remember always to do spotting whenever you do any turn. Guys, now that we are all set with our basic steps done solo by ourselves, we are ready to go into our partner work. It is very important for us to know the difference between partner work and solo steps, the difference between shine patterns and turn patterns. As we have done before, all the solo steps, these are predominantly called the shine patterns. The steps that we do in couple work are called as turn patterns. Now, the gentleman's left hand is holding the lady's right. Once again, the gentleman's left hand is holding the lady's right in a finger to finger touch. You do not use your thumbs and also you don't hold palm to palm. This palm to palm connection is only for standard ballroom, that is English ballroom styles. Salsa being a Latin club style, we hold in a finger to finger touch. Once again, gentleman's left hand with the lady's right in a finger to finger touch. Guys, as you can see, the gentleman's right hand is at the lady's back. Once again, the gentleman's right hand is at the lady's back, at the shoulder blade, nowhere else, nor down, nor too high up, at the shoulder blade. This will provide the lady the support so that if in case she loses her balance, she won't fall. At the same time, this helps the gentleman to lead the lady into different steps. Once again, gentleman's right hand at the lady's back. Guys, this is the last part of close position. As you can see, the gentleman's right hand is at the lady's back as described before. Ladies, your left hand will be on the gentleman's shoulder. Once again, your left hand on the gentleman's shoulder, elbow rested on the gentleman's hand, and this completes your close position. Ladies, your left hand on the gentleman's shoulder, elbow resting on his hand. Let's see the open position or the open hold. Gentlemen, as you can see, your both hands are in a receiving position, and ladies, you have to give your hands in the gentleman's hand, again without the use of thumbs, finger to finger touch. This is called your open hold or open position. Any formals for the gentleman, formal shirt and formal pants is allowed. Footwear should be strictly formal for the gentlemen, leathers or suede. For the ladies, any western outfit, preferably a skirt or a one-piece dress, and any amount of heels which the ladies are comfortable to dance in with. Ladies, another small tip would be, it would be really good if you go and buy dancing shoes. They have a strap around the ankle which helps you to keep a grip on the shoe and your foot doesn't twist while you turn. About facial expressions. Always look at your partner when you're dancing with one. When you're dancing solo, on your own, it is always a nice gesture to smile around. Keeps you happy, energetic, and it keeps the entire atmosphere for you really happening. When you're dancing with a partner, you have to have a proper eye contact that helps you to dance with your partner comfortably without talking to each other literally. A good eye contact and a broad smile takes you a long way. When we are counting for salsa, there is a 6-number footwork. There are 6 foots that happen. So we count only 6. But in a way as 1, 2, 3 and a 5, 6, 7. We skip the 4 and 8 absolutely merely because we don't step on it. So we will be counting a 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. Keep this count in mind for all through while till you practice salsa. Guys, now that you have learned so many steps, I would like you to know that it is always necessary to practice. Be it your basic, be it your side basic or any other step. Be it a solo or a couple work. Always make sure that you practice. When you're practicing solo, you can stand in front of the mirror, watch your posture, always keep your hands at your waist, keep your shoulders pulled back, chest out, stomach tucked in, and practice. This is going to take you a long way. Every time it is necessary for you to practice every new step that you do. You will have to be consistent when you're practicing. Only then will you be able to do what exactly has been shown to you. Each and every step needs to be practiced thoroughly every time you think of doing salsa.